Alright, we are chugging along on this print. This is the third impression I did today, and it's the last block. It's the dark blue block. I added some more black pigment to this pot of color, and then we're going for like a cool black. And then this will complete this Hasui design. So here we are. We just did the lights, and I have some free time today, so I'm just pushing through to the end here. I'm trying to get this thing complete. I have a softer Baron for this impression, and I'm pressing hard but not too hard. What a design. So simple yet so effective. Wow. So I'm keeping these moist until the end because I'm going to dry them flat. I'll then deboss my name on the margin of the print, and then these prints will be ready and available for purchase. So if you want an interesting gift for yourself or for someone this holiday season, grab one of these prints and see for yourself. You can hold these things in your hand and feel the layers, the bumps of the paper and the impression of the snow, and it's just like super cool. You can look from the back and see through this beautiful paper, and for $40 free shipping, this is a really cool thing to have. This Baron, I can feel all of the bumps and where I need to print. I really love this sound. And then look at this. Every time you pull it off the block, man, that's awesome. Like, I made this. I didn't design it. This is a tribute to Hasui. But man, I made this thing, and I just love it so much. It never gets old. So we're gonna do it again. Very rewarding to work hard. I mean, this is hard work. I'm standing here doing this for like 4 hours straight today, really focusing, and it's physical. Neck hurts, my back hurts kind of from hunching over, working on these prints. It's a physical thing. But man, when I pull this impression off, like, check this out. Okay, that's really cool. I'm happy with that. I'm real happy with that. But let's make it better by adding the last key block. Bam. Wow. That thing just pops. It's such a nice print. I wish I designed this. Maybe someday. But I've learned so much from doing this, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. So I'm just going to keep chugging through these until they're complete. I was thinking about doing another color scheme of this one. I don't know, just changing it up a bit. Maybe sunset. You're getting kind of like a warm glow from the sky. And I was thinking about putting like a modern twist to it by, making these lights in the window, one like pink and one like blue. Like they're watching TV, not eating supper by candlelight. And having some more unique colors in the sky. Just change it up a bit. I don't know. It's just a thought I've been having. Another way to utilize these blocks that I've spent a lot of time tracing and carving. It just never gets old. I don't know, there's just something to it. It just makes me want to keep doing it. Maybe this guy's going to catch his train early in the morning. It's a possibility. Could just be out for a evening stroll. Enjoying the quiet snowfall. Maybe doing a little walking meditation. I'll be doing that a lot in the next few months. Next few years. Alright, so you get the idea. I'm going to dry these and then this print is finished. I hope you're enjoying these videos. Please check out these prints on my website at stevenwienecke.com. They're super affordable, free shipping. They're really cool objects and they make really great gifts. So now I'll deboss my name on the bottom margin of this print. You can also find them at Ukiyo-e Heroes. I'm sending 30 to Jed at his website. And now we'll deboss our name on the lower margin, which is simple. Little last impression here. Carving and printing. It's right into the pushed into the paper. It's a nice little touch to show that I made this print, and not to be confused with an original Hasui postcard design that's out in the market. So we'll do that for all sheets. Really nice print. You can actually feel the raised snowflakes in the roof, the texture on the paper from the impression. So you get the idea. We'll package these, ship these to Jed, and these will be all available on my website. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy printing, happy carving.